Meningitis is a medical emergency. It's an inflammation of the protective membranes surrounding the brain and spinal cord. It can affect anyone of any age and can progress rapidly. Knowing the signs and symptoms could save a life. Meningitis is most often caused by a bacterial or viral infection. Viral meningitis is more common and often less severe, but bacterial meningitis is serious and requires urgent medical treatment. The key is to act fast. Don't wait for symptoms to fully develop. Symptoms can appear suddenly and may include fever, a high temperature, often with cold hands and feet, severe headache, a severe persistent headache that feels different from a normal headache, stiff neck, difficulty moving the head, especially touching the chin to the chest, sensitivity to light, dislike of bright lights, known as photophobia, nausea and vomiting, drowsiness, confusion, or difficulty waking up. Rash, the glass test, a rash that does not fade when you press a glass against it. This is a sign of blood poisoning called septicemia, which can accompany meningitis. But remember, a rash does not always appear, and it may be the last symptom to show. Do not wait for a rash. In young children, the signs can be harder to spot. Look out for a high-pitched moaning cry, being floppy, drowsy, or difficult to wake, a bulging soft spot on the top of their head, refusing feeds or vomiting, stiff body with jerking movements. Meningitis can develop quickly. If you or someone you know has these symptoms, don't wait. Trust your instincts. Seek urgent medical help immediately. It could save a life.